Have you ever stopped to think about the incredible journey your money takes before it reaches you? That crumpled dollar bill in your wallet or the digital balance on your phone screen. They've both been on an epic adventure through countless hands, machines, and computer systems long before you ever see them. The truth is, money never travels alone. It's constantly being touched, tracked, and processed by an army of invisible workers and sophisticated systems that most of us never think about. Let's start with physical cash, which is perhaps the most fascinating journey of all. Every paper bill begins its life in one of the U.S. Bureau of Engraving and Printing facilities, where massive printing presses run 24 hours a day. Skilled workers monitor these machines, handling the freshly printed sheets of money that will eventually become the bills in your pocket. After printing, the sheets are cut into individual bills by precision machines operated by more workers. These bills are then counted, shrink-wrapped, and prepared for shipment by yet another team of people. But the journey is just beginning. The newly minted cash is loaded onto armored trucks by security personnel, driven by trained couriers, and delivered to Federal Reserve banks across the country. At these regional hubs, more workers and machines sort, count, and package the money for distribution to commercial banks. When your local bank branch receives a cash shipment, tellers and vault managers handle the money again before it's loaded into ATMs or given out at teller windows. Now consider this. When you withdraw $20 from an ATM, that bill might have already passed through a dozen different hands just to get there. And if you're receiving change from a store purchase, that same bill could have been in countless other wallets before yours. A study by the Federal Reserve found that the average dollar bill changes hands about 110 times during its lifespan, meaning your money has potentially been touched by hundreds of people before you ever see it. Digital money has an equally complex journey, though it's far less visible. When you receive your paycheck via direct deposit, that transaction involves multiple, unseen players. Your employer's bank communicates with your bank through complex financial networks like the automated clearinghouse ACH system. Behind the scenes, teams of programmers maintain these systems, fraud analysts monitor for suspicious activity, and compliance officers ensure every transaction follows strict financial regulations. Every time you make a digital payment, whether swiping a card, clicking Buy Now online, or sending money through an app, you're activating an entire hidden ecosystem. Payment processors like Visa or MasterCard route your transaction through their global networks. Fraud detection algorithms analyze your purchase in milliseconds to spot potential identity theft. Banking servers communicate across continents to verify you have sufficient funds. And all of this happens before the merchant ever knows if your payment went through. The people behind your digital money are just as numerous as those handling physical cash, though you'll never see them. There are the data center technicians maintaining the servers that process transactions, the cybersecurity experts protecting financial networks from hackers, and the customer service representatives who handle disputes when something goes wrong. Even government regulators and auditors play a role in monitoring these digital flows to prevent money laundering and other financial crimes. Consider also the infrastructure that makes digital money possible: the fiber optic cables carrying financial data, the power plants keeping servers running, and the maintenance workers who ensure everything functions smoothly. They're all part of the unseen workforce that touches your money in some way. When you tap your phone to pay for coffee, you're benefiting from years of technological development and the ongoing labor of thousands of people worldwide. The lifespan of money reveals even more handlers. For physical currency, there are the teams that collect worn-out bills for destruction and replacement. The Federal Reserve removes about 5,000 tons of worn-out currency from circulation each year. For digital money, there are accountants reconciling transactions, software developers updating banking apps, and financial advisors helping institutions manage their reserves, all indirectly handling the money that will eventually reach you. Even after money reaches you, its journey continues. When you spend cash, it immediately begins circulating again through other people's hands. Digital money similarly keeps moving through the economy, with each transaction creating new records and requiring new verifications. In this sense, money is never truly yours. It's just temporarily passing through your possession on its endless journey through the financial system. This constant movement creates a fascinating web of connections. That $10 bill in your wallet might have been in a farmer's pocket, a celebrity's wallet, or a tourist's money belt before coming to you. The digital dollar you just spent online could be split between a merchant's account, a payment processor's fees, and a bank's reserves, each portion continuing on its own separate path through the economy. So the next time you make a purchase or check your account balance, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey your money has taken. Hundreds, perhaps thousands, of people have played some role in creating, moving, protecting, or tracking those funds before they reached you. In a very real sense, every dollar represents an entire network of human labor and technological innovation working together to make our financial system function. Money isn't just currency. It's a living record of countless interactions, a story of modern civilization written in transactions, and the most remarkable part, your money's journey doesn't end with you. The moment you spend it, the cycle begins anew, continuing the endless dance of dollars and data that keeps our world moving forward. Now that you know the secret life of money, will you ever look at a simple dollar bill the same way again?
Hey there, if you're enjoying this video and appreciate the effort behind it, don't forget to like this video. It really helps the channel grow, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Oh, and one more thing, share this video with your friends. Spread the love and support. Alright, now let's get back to the video. Let me know if you want any tweaks.